Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how you can import a page template in your WordPress site in Elementor. In this video I will show you a step by step process on how you can use an entire page template that will take you few minutes to get any page in a second. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future update. So before moving further, I have already created one template for you. This is the homepage template. This is the same homepage template. Now in this video, what I'm going to do, I will show you how you can use it. We are going to create another homepage here. So first of all, let's go to the WordPress dashboard of this site. And now we are in the WordPress dashboard. So let's go to the pages option, and from the pages option we can create a new page. So click on this add new button, and now we have already one home page. So I'm going to give it a name as home duplicate, as we are going to duplicate this page only. That's why I have created this home duplicate. And you can perform this action in different pages. Suppose you have one site over here with e-commerce 14, and you want the same home page should be there in the e-commerce 15 also. Then in the e-commerce 15 page you can create another home page over there. And let me content layout, and then disable the padding here. Header also let me disable it. Alright, title also let me disable. Header I don't want to disable. Let me publish the page now, and let's see whether we have got the blank page or not. Yeah, we have got it. Now let's click on this edit with Elementor. It will load the Elementor page builder. Now once your Elementor page builder get loaded, how you can import a template, I will show it to you. So here you can see that this is the Elementor page builder, and here you are getting this folder icon. So click on this folder icon, and on the right side corner you are going to get this upload icon over here. So in that it will see here it is saying like import template to your library. You can easily drag and drop the file to import any template file. As you can see, I have drag and drop, enable and import. So now the template file is getting import. Once this template file get imported, then we can use it. So here it will take some time only. As you can see, homepage template is get imported. Now what I can do, I can click on this insert button and click on this apply button, and within a few minutes only it will we will get this entire home page here in this home duplicate page also. As you can see here, all the images, everything get imported successfully. The only thing now we have to do is we have to click on this update button, and we are done. This page will get saved. And if you will view this page, let me again click on this update once this page will get update. If you will view this page, you are going to get entirely the same home page that we have over here, and this is the home duplicate page. So with this we have learned how we can import a Elementor template in WordPress site. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.